Make your strategy. This is the cycle of steps for preparing and implementing a mobilizing support initiative. After you have identified the problem, analyzed the problem, and done a context analysis, you now need to develop your strategy, or in other words, to strategize. You need to decide on a number of choices by selecting from the options you have identified in the analysis phase. You have already reflected on the dream of your beneficiaries and on the core of the problem. This led to the formulation of the mobilizing support topic. You then choose a solution. The topic and the solution led to the formulation of your early message. In order to strategize, you need to ask yourself a series of strategic questions and formulate an answer to these. How to involve the beneficiaries, and how to make them participate in your initiative. Which allies will you choose? How will you approach them? Do allies agree with your early message, or do you need to adapt it? Together with your allies, you will develop a joint message. Once this is done, you need to ask yourself which opponent or opponents you will target, and how you will deal with them. Then ask yourself at what stage in the decision-making process you are and whom to approach to signal a problem. The tactics that you will choose to determine the rest of your strategy, how you will formulate the final message, and how you will have to position yourself in order to deliver it. Finally, you should ask yourself what activities you need to undertake in order to ensure your credibility, legitimacy, accountability, service, and power, and how to measure the changes of your initiative. Only when you have answered all these questions will you be able to plan your activities and to draft your plan. In this submodule, you will work on the answers to the main strategic questions in blue.